Okay, so this next section we're going to be working about finding the retail price or finding the selling price. So our example here, a bead store buys beads at wholesale prices and then sells them at a 75% markup. If a strand of beads costs the store $19.14, what is the selling price for the strand? So what we're going to have to do here is if we open up, there are two methods. Just like our last set of notes, we can find the amount of markup first. Once you've found that, you have to add that to the store's cost or the wholesale price to find the selling price. So we have the markup is 75%. I write that as 0.75. And I multiply that by the total, which is $9.14, and I get my markup. So 0.75 times 9.14. I'm going to round this to the nearest hundredth, and I get 6.86. That is my markup. But now I have to add that to the store's cost. So the store paid $9.14. I'm going to add their markup price to it, which is $6.86. And when I do that, I get $16. So the way all of this works, just to kind of come back to our vocab, this is the wholesale price. This is the price that they paid for it in bulk. $6.86 is the markup. That's how much they increased the price to cover their overhead and make a profit. And then $16 is the retail or the selling price. So those words should look familiar from over here: markup, wholesale, resale, or selling price, wholesale, markup, and selling price. Method number 2 says find the total percent first. So the customer pays 100% of the wholesale price plus the extra 75 for markup. How do you write that as a percent? So what's 100 plus 75%? Well, that's 175%. As a decimal, I move it 2 places to the left, and I get 1.75. Of means multiply. Their wholesale price was $19.14, so 9.14. And now I only have one step involved, 1.75 times 9.14, and I get 15.995. But I have to round this to the nearest cent, so I'm going to underline my 9 and look at my 5. My 5 tells my 9 to round up. And the 9 has to round up to a 10, so it actually affects this, which is a 9. So that rounds the next one up to be 16. So sometimes it's easier for me to think about like which whole number is it, which tenth is it closer to? Is it closer to 15.99 or is it closer to 16, which would be the next hundredth? So if we were counting by hundredths, what's it closest to? And since it's right in the middle, we round up to 16. Notice that we get the same answer for both methods. So either method, there's no right or wrong answer here. Either method works and gets us a correct answer. It totally just depends how your brain thinks and what's easiest for you to think through. Finding the amount of markup first and then adding, or finding the percent you pay and then just multiplying that out.